Hello students, yesterday we have discussed about the types of natural resources. In that types we have studied natural resources. Now again I am explaining some of the points of that. Natural resources, they are categorized into two categories. First one is renewable, renewable and second one is non-renewable. Okay, now after that we have discussed what is renewable and what is non-renewable. Renewable are inexhaustible resources, inexhaustible, and these are exhaustible. The simple difference between both of them is it can be renewed again and again. If we are using it continuously, we can use it. We can take it into use continuously without a limit. But these non-renewable resources, these are in a limit. If we are using them speedily, then after a limit, these resources will be disappear. These resources will be damaged. We will not get it soon. For getting this, we will take some more time. The nature will take more time for the development of this. Then after we will get it. After that, these non-renewable resources are categorized into two parts. The first one is recyclable. And the second one is non-recyclable. Okay, now in non-renewable resources we have found that the resources are of two types. So one is recyclable and another one is non-recyclable. Recyclable means we can use it again and again by changing its form. Like as metal. In metals we are using iron metal for making table, chair or anything else. So if we are fed up with the one of the use of that, then we can mold it and we can change it into another form. But in non-recyclable, we can't change it. For example, coil. For example, petroleum. We are using that. So when it is used completely, we can't change it. When iron was used completely, we can change it into other form. So I think this category is clear to you all. After that, we have to study about the importance of natural resources. Importance. Why natural resources are important to us? All of you know that we need to eat. We are living organism. We have to eat something for our life. We have to take something for making our life comfortable. So all these things are related to our natural resources. Suppose that food. From where we are getting food? We are getting food from the crops, from the plants, from the animals. So who has given these things to us? Nature. Simple thing is nature. Nature has given us all these things with free of cost, without the wasting money, without giving any cost to the nature. We are using them, we are utilizing the natural resources like as food, petroleum, coal, metals, non-metals. Many things are present in our surrounding, many things are present in our environment. Air we are breathing, that is also free of cost. Water that we are drinking, that is also free of cost. So this is that's why the natural resources are very important to us. Now after that, in non-recyclable, there is one heading given in your book, that is fossil fuels. Now we will study what is fossil fuels and why we are going to study about that. So before starting for fossil fuels, we must have to know about what are fuels. The fuels are those substances, those resources that gives heat and energy for the working of anything. So when we are doing anything, if energy is released, if heat is released, that means fuel is used at that place. And what is fossil fuels? Fossil fuels coal, petroleum and natural gases. In fuels we can use many things, but if we are talking about fossil fuels, then this coal, petroleum and natural gas, these three things are the fossil fuels. These are present in our environment in a very limited amount. Like as we are using coal, so for the extraction of coal and the regeneration of coal is all the process included in coal cycle. In that, the first one is coalification, then after we are using that, how we are utilizing that, how we are extracting that, this all is included in that. So in fossil fuel we have to study about coal and petroleum, then natural gas. We will study about them separately. So today I am finishing our class. In next video we will study about the coal, qualification and all the life cycles related to coal. Thank you class.